Hey guys, this is the second video on this dental air compressor. I just wanted to show you how it worked and turn it on. I've repaired it. I had some reed valve problems and they've been fixed and it runs good. I'm just waiting on an intake filter, you know, the little black air filters that go on air compressors. Well, this one would use three. One goes there, one goes there, and one goes there, and also waiting on a couple of these engine covers for this side, but it works. So what she does is when you turn it on, there's a piston and reed valve assembly on each side of the motor. So you've got a piston going up and down on this side, and you've got a piston going up and down on this side. What it does is it sucks air in through here, takes it down into the cylinder, compresses it. There's a valve that closes, compresses it, pumps the pressure through and down this pipe into the tank through this solenoid. And you basically have three of those. So there's an intake valve, compression valve, intake valve, compression valve, intake, compression, intake, compression. So you've got two cylinders feeding each of these pipes, and there's the solenoid here that opens and closes the valve. There's a one-way valve on a standard compressor that actuates under air pressure, but they've set this up with these electric solenoids that open and close and blow off the line pressure inside this pipe so this thing can start when it has to recharge. So it fills up really quick. I'm going to turn this baby on and you can see it go. This here's the gauge. You can see it's empty right now. This regulator is broken. It's cracked. So I probably shouldn't be running this. It could blow up and take my eye out, but I'm going to get a replacement one of these. They're cheap. I'm just going to turn it on and watch how quick this puppy fills. You can hear this leaking. Anyways, she shuts off at about 110, 115 psi, and then kicks back on at about 90. And you heard the blow-off valves. Basically, these solenoids blow off the line pressure so that these motors can start without having any resistance. It's the same system as a standard compressor, except it's a little fancier, I guess. Being dental, they can charge more. So I'm going to replace this regulator and get these covers installed and the air filter boxes, and this puppy will be ready to go to its new home. It's a pretty slick machine. It'll be a lot quieter when we thread the intake boxes on. I'll try and make a video to show you the difference. Thanks for watching.